What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I know, y'all, it has been a minute, but I am back, ready to bring you all the content. I was just in a rut, to be honest with you. I was just like, I don't feel like doing it. I just don't want to. And not only did I not feel like recording, I didn't feel like cleaning anything. I didn't feel like cooking. Baseball came. It was Micah's first season of playing baseball, and it threw me way off. Him doing two sports, trying to clean up. Obviously, I work full time, and yeah. But anyway, we're going to move it right along. That was just a little bit saying where I've been. But like I said, I am back. So today we're just doing a few like random things, actually. We have a lot of hats, so I was like, I have got to get these hats organized. We don't have a spot for our shoes. And no, it's not aesthetically pleasing, but it is practical. It's practical for the space that we currently have. Now, right now, I'm just changing out the air filter because that needed to happen. But you guys, make sure you continue watching if you like this type of content, and I'll talk to you in a bit.
We say we were good together. I would say we had fun. Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you on paper thin. I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark.
So I ordered 2 of these shoe organizers. One came the correct size and the other one was entirely way too big, which is this one. And after I put it all together, I had to take it all apart and send it back. And then Amazon sent me the right one. But y'all, I was so annoyed. But anyway, now I have 2 of the right ones.
I want this, maybe you want it too. So I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. See the sun in the shadow all my life, but I finally see the light. I give myself to you. I want to get this right. Haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too. So I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. Why is it so hard to be? Why is it so hard to be honest? To be honest. Why is it so hard to be? Why is it so hard to be honest? To be honest. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too. So I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you.
was at this point I knew this acrylic calendar was going to be an epic fail. I did try it out, and you'll see at the end, I just failed. And I'm okay to say that. And I might try again. I might try to fix it, but not today.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.